Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. In today's fast paced world, we often overlook the beauty and simplicity of the countryside. But let me tell you why we should all love it. The countryside offers us a peaceful escape from the chaos of city life. Here, nature thrives its purest form: fresh air, open spaces, and stunning landscapes that can suit the mind and body. It is in the countryside where we find community, where neighbors aren't just strangers, but friends who look out for one another. Life in the countryside also teaches us self sufficiency, from growing our own food to living sustainably. It reminds us of the value of the hard work and simplicity. And let's not forget the joy of waking up to the sound of birds, not traffic. So, why choose stress and noise when you can have peace, community, and a deeper connection to nature? The countryside is more than a place, it is a way of life worth loving. Thank you so much.